Hey guys, welcome back to the third video of the series. If you have no idea what we are doing, this is basically a CSS series we are doing where we are walking you through step by step what are the different CSS codes that you can use for making your funnels beautiful inside of Clickfunnels, Progreda, Kajabi and such similar softwares. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use custom gradient colors for all the buttons you have inside of your funnel, because you want all of the buttons to look similar, right? So you can use this particular code over here that I have. Just copy the whole thing and head on to custom CSS, just paste it. Now as you can see, the color is being changed over here, right? So let's say you want to add another button right here, and just below it you're gonna have a button. So you see automatically the gradient that is showing up, it's the same as the one you changed. So basically this is one universal code that you need to have in order to change gradient colors for all the buttons that you have. So let's say you want to change the color. Okay, so just for the test purposes we have chosen these two codes. So just copy this, go to CSS and paste it on the first section. Okay, and we'll take the second code, come back here, paste it. Okay, so one thing that you need to notice over here is that it's going from left to right, right? If you want to have something that the gradient would look from top to bottom, you can do that by just going to custom CSS again, changing the degrees over here. So you need to change 90 to this 90, and over here it will be 0. So as you can see, it's going from top to bottom, right? So let's say you want to change even that and just converse how the colors are flowing. So instead you want to have this pink on the top and then purple on the bottom. You can do that by just adding another 90 degrees to it. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Just add 180 degrees and it will be reversed, right? Okay, so let's say, as you can see over here, there's still some harsh difference between these two colors. What you can do is you can just increase this to 100%. So this way the harshness would go away. Okay, so let's say this basically means this is the separator. Okay, if you have 50-50, then it will be distinctly showing both the colors. Okay, as you can see, the top one is pink and the bottom one is purple. But if you want to have a seamless flow, just change this to 100%, and that way this will be seamless. Okay, so that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss out the future videos that are going to come up for this particular series, as well as if you want to learn more about funnels, this is the place. Okay, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and keep creating for a change.